SCSS lets a real @media query be nested directly inside the selector it affects, keeping responsive styles genuinely next to the rule they belong to. In this video, you'll nest a real breakpoint. This real, valid CSS works, but .sidebar's responsive behavior lives far away from its base styles in the source. Nesting the real @media query directly inside .sidebar's own block keeps its responsive behavior genuinely next to its base styles. SCSS genuinely allows @media queries to be nested inside a selector's own block. This keeps a real selector's responsive behavior next to its base styles in the source. The compiled CSS output is the exact same real, valid @media syntax either way. Nest a real @media query inside one selector in your own project. Ready to use Sass's own real built-in math and color functions?